An article on NDTV, a new channel in India, flashed the headlines, Earth's Real Orbit and Why High School Textbooks Are Wrong About Its Shape. Fraction has a similar fate in textbooks and teaching. The real meaning and significance of fractions are conspicuous by their absence. Fractions are reduced to something by something. The most amazing characteristic of fractions is that they are an indispensable part of measurements. Mathematics is founded on counting and measurement as the two fundamental processes of exact quantification. Fractions help measurements to be accurately accounted for. A visual revisit of fraction should freeze the correct conception of fraction. We start with recounting, counting, because I asserted that fractions also represent counted quantities. In counting, we first identify the thing that is to be the unit of counting. Next, we find the number of things that match the chosen unit of counting in the things to be counted. In the picture, the apples have to be counted, and one apple, a red one, is the unit of counting. There are 6 such red apples. 6 apples that are similar to the unit of counting, the red apple. Here we are counting half apples in a collection of half apples. It turns out there are 6 half apples. This is what fraction is all about. Counting part things, less than one things, the half apple in this case. The half apple is the unit fraction. One half apple is the unit of counting. There are 6 unit fractions in the picture. It was also evident from the example of count of half apples that fractions are multiples of just one unit fraction. The picture shows different parts, thus different unit fractions of a circle. It shows how 2 by 5 is 2 unit fractions of 1 by 5 each, and how 3 by 7 is 3 unit fractions of 1 by 7 each. Let us visualize 3 by 4 as a fraction using a chocolate bar. We know 3 by 4 means 3 1/4 or 3 of 1 by 4 each. And 1/4 means one of the 4 equal parts of 1. That is, if 1 is 1 chocolate bar, as in the picture, then 3 1/4 of the chocolate bar will make 3/4. Let us now verbalize 3 by 4 as a fraction. Carefully read the different ways 3 by 4 could be read. 3 by 4 is the sum of 3 1/4, and it is also 3 multiplied by a 1/4. Recall, multiplication is the repeated addition of the same thing. Here 3 by 4 is 3 times addition of the same 1 by 4. Let us visualize 5 by 6 using the same chocolate bar. 1 by 6 is the unit fraction in 5 by 6. We can get 5 by 6 chocolate bar when we make 6 equal parts of the bar. Each part is 1/6. And we take 5 of the 1/6 part of the chocolate. Five by 6 as a fraction could be read in a few ways. 5 by 6 is the sum of 5 1/6. And it is also 5 multiplied by a 1/6. Take heart, fractions are multiple unit fractions. A simple count of one or more same-size part of something, some whole. Thank you. With us, you will master all the mathematics you need. Be good to you, not just others.